In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit the quantity of items a customer can add to their cart on Shopify. This is a great feature if you're managing inventory carefully or if certain products are in high demand and you want to ensure more customers have access to them. There are two primary methods to achieve this on Shopify: using the built-in Add to Cart Limit feature or a more comprehensive solution with an app like Cart Lock. Let's start with the built-in method, using Shopify's Add to Cart Limit. This is a straightforward approach and is perfect for simple needs. First, navigate to the Shopify admin panel and look for the settings menu. Once you're there, find the checkout section. Here, you'll be dealing with your checkout settings, where you'll configure how customers make purchases on your site. Within the checkout settings, look for an area labeled Advanced Preferences. Within this section, you should see an option called Add to Cart Limit. Click on that and you'll be taken to a screen where you can activate this feature. To enable this limit, check the box that says Set a maximum quantity per item that can be added to a cart. It's a simple checkbox, but it makes a big impact. In the limit field, you'll enter the maximum quantity you'd like each customer to add to their cart. There's flexibility here depending on your needs, whether it's 3 items or 10, it's totally up to you. Once you've made your decision and entered the number, click the check mark to save your settings, and there you go. Your limit is now active. Alternatively, if you need more advanced customization, you might consider using an app like Cart Lock, available on the Shopify App Store. This app provides a more sophisticated set of rules and limits. To begin, you'll need to search for the Cart Lock app and install it directly from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, open up the app. You'll see an option to add a new rule. This is where you'll define how the limits should behave. To start, click on Add a New Condition. Here, you will select Single Item Quantity for the condition. This tells the app exactly what it needs to watch for. Next, enter the quantity limit in the block if more than field. This is similar to what you set in the native option on Shopify, but here you can refine it even further. You can even apply this rule to specific products or collections if you want. Just add a condition to target certain items and protect others from the limit. It's a fantastic way to fine-tune your inventory management. Finally, save the rule by clicking Save. The app will now enforce these limits on your store, and that's all there is to it. Whether you're using Shopify's built-in feature or opting for the Cart Lock app for more complexity, both methods provide great ways to ensure you're controlling how much of a single item each customer can purchase.